Here's how you can turn the child lock on and off on a Midea Washer Dryer in just a few simple steps. To turn it on, look for the button labeled Child Lock. On many models, this isn't a dedicated button. It's often shared with another function, like temp or rinse. You'll usually see a small child icon printed next to it to help you identify it. Press and hold that button combination for about 3 seconds. Once the lock activates, you'll see CL on the display. This means the control panel is now locked and none of the buttons will work except the power button. This safety feature is very useful to prevent kids from accidentally changing settings, so starting the machine or pausing a cycle midway. It also helps prevent pets or curious hands from interfering with the wash, keeping your clothes and machine safe. To turn the lock off, simply press and hold the same button or button combination again for 3 seconds. The CL message will disappear and the control panel will be fully usable again. It's quick, easy, and works every time, giving you peace of mind while keeping your washer dryer safe and functional in a household with children.